Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to optimize your Pinterest ad budget for maximum ROI. First, all you want to do is head over to Pinterest and log into your business account. For ads, you don't really want to spend too much or too little. If you spend too much, then you won't be able to get your return on investment. However, if you spend too little, you won't be able to see the performance that you were hoping for. The best way for you to get a return on investment is have already some posts that you've put out organically, and from there, using your analytics overview, know what your target audience is looking for. Make sure to be constantly checking trends to see if any of your products are currently trending, and then from there, test using different types of bids. Test using different ones, whether it be automated or manual, and then using your ad account overview, check to see how well each one does. Once you monitor the performance of each bid and you can see which one is doing the best, then make sure to carry on putting out pins that match the best performing ad. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.